Hi, welcome to my channel, Hungry Bites. Today in this video, I'll make Kofta Biryani. This biryani is so delicious, and its process of making is so easy but time taken. But when you make this, I am sure you'll love this recipe. So let's start. In an electric chopper, put 500-gram boneless chicken, 6 to 7 green chilies, a half teaspoon black pepper, salt to taste, and 7 to 8 garlic cloves. Make them mince. Still you are watching my video. I am really thankful to you. From which country you are watching my recipes, please comment below. Mince is ready. It's time to make small balls. Grease your hands with some oil and make balls with light hands. Like this. Make all balls and fry them. Fry until they turn into light golden. In a pan, take same oil in which fried chicken balls. Put 4 cloves and a curry leaf. Add chopped 3 large onion and fry them. When onion turns in translucent, then add 4 medium-sized tomatoes. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste. Add 1 packet of biryani masala and cook all ingredients for 5 minutes. When oil going to separated, then put all chicken balls in the gravy. Mix with light hands. Now add 1 cup buttermilk and cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. After 10 minutes, korma is ready. Add 3 to 4 green chilies and some leaves of fresh coriander and turn off the flame. Another pot, spread the layer of boiled rice. Then spread all the korma on the rice and put on some lemon slices and fresh coriander and mint leaves. Final layer of rice. Now add orange food color and covered with lid and cook for 15 minutes on low flame. After 15 minutes, Kofta Biryani is ready. Mix with very light hands. Enjoy with salad and mint yogurt. If you like my recipes, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Till then, next, bye.